Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share the three programs that are for week 2 programming assignment Pdsa 2020. So here are the programs. So first program and the three squares program, rep free program and hill valley program. I have wrote code for these three programs and I will be pasting the link in description of this video. Please check the indentation errors and some errors. So it has passed my look at you can look here, all the test cases were passed. So here is the paste bin code. You can see here rep free function followed by three squares function, then hill valley function. Thanks. So all the test cases were passed. So if you like this video and if it was helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe. Help me getting 1000 subscribers. Thanks.